Welcome back to our channel. If you like making money online, this is the channel for you. Make sure to subscribe at the conclusion of this video so you can start earning money. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button and switch on notifications to be notified whenever I post a new and exciting approach for generating money online. So let's get started. In this channel, we've met once more. I'm going to show you how to generate money online from the comfort of your home with this free website. Today in this video tutorial, I'll be sharing with you how to make money just by simply clicking on ads. Now, before we get started, please do yourself a favor and click on the red subscribe button with notifications turned on, and I'll notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online. You can view all of these payouts by simply signing up for free on this website, clicking on these advertisements, and earning money each time you click. But if you stick around until the conclusion of the video, I'll show you not only how to make more money, but also how to make even much more money. I'll also show you how to manage this so you get paid when other people click, allowing you to make a lot more money without having to do any effort. Okay, first of all, I want to show you proof that this works and is worth your time. So I'm going to click on payment proofs right here, which will take us to the next page where you can see people from all over the world are making money with this website every single minute of every single day. They're paid in a range of methods because you can choose how you want to get paid using this website. And once you hit the low threshold, you can withdraw your money and spend it on whatever you want. So you can see they're making money every minute. On the right, you can even see the current time. You have all of these pages with hundreds of users who have been making money with this website. This is over at PTCShare.com. But don't go directly to the website and try to figure it out on your own because you will waste your time and most likely not make any money, because I will explain to you how to utilize this website step by step in this video. I'll also show you how to improve your results and make more money, as well as how to put this on total autopilot for free so you don't have to spend hours upon hours every day clicking on your computer or phone. But you can instead assign the work to others. Once again, right on the path on the homepage, you will be able to see the most recent cash outs and exactly how much money people are making. As you can see, payments have been made within the last 12 hours, demonstrating that despite its newness, individuals are utilizing our service frequently. Although it has only been online for a short time, it already has over 300,000 users, making it a better area to make money online due to the large number of individuals who use it. It's also a brand new website, so you can start earning money online right now. It's simple to make money with them once you sign up for an account. There will be some cash adverts waiting for you. You don't have to wait months or weeks to get paid with this website. In fact, you can start earning money right now. Therefore, I strongly advise you to visit PTCShare.com and take a look around. You may look through it and discover exactly how it works if you want to learn more about it. After that, you can simply click on some of the free Join Us Now buttons to go to the registration page. On this page, you will need to create a unique username for your account, which can be anything you can think of. And then you will create a new password, which you will need to retype, and then you will enter your email address. Retype the same email address, then click I am not a robot and create account. You should receive an email from PTC Share that looks like this, with an activation link that you must click as soon as you do that. To do so, open your email account and click this link right here to activate your account. Go to your Google, Yahoo, or whatever email account you use and click the activation link before doing anything else. You'll be able to log into your fresh, new account as soon as you finish that step. This is the dashboard. This is how it will look like in the inside. And this is where you will be able to track your earnings. You may check your balance and see all of your options such as cash offers, games, creating your own campaigns, and of course, earning money by seeing advertising. You can earn money simply by clicking on those advertisements. But stay tuned to learn how to earn even more. Now you can claim different bonuses right here on the homepage. So I recommend you scroll a little bit through the dashboard and see all of the features that the website has to offer for you now to get started making money by clicking on those ads. you'll need to hover your mouse right here where it says Earn. You'll need to click on View Ads right here to begin viewing those ads. And now you'll be able to see all of the ads on the website, as well as all of the different payments that they have for you. So each time you click on those ads, you'll be paid. For example, if I click on this ad, I'll be paid. And all I have to do is click on View Paid Ad. And that's it. I'll be credited. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notifications bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. Okay, clearly this isn't going to make you a lot of money, which is why we need to concentrate on finding new methods to use and leverage with this website. Since, as you can see, it's only about 0 cents for 1 click, which isn't awful given you're just clicking and not doing anything complicated. I mean, all you have to do is click once and you'll be paid. It's that simple. Let's take a look at how you may make even more money now that you've clicked on all of those ads. You'll see the Earn button right here if you scroll up a little bit. And if you select this Click Grid section right here, you'll be able to make even more money, as you can see on the right-hand side. You can see that people are getting paid much more each click. And you can also win $10 by selecting any of these boxes on the grid option. The way it works is that you simply click on some of these boxes and an ad will appear for you to view. And as soon as you do so, you will be charged with real money. Of course, you'll be paid a lot more than the previous one. And as you can see, you can check all of those boxes and you'll be compensated each time, which is great because you're not doing any of the hard work and you do not need any previous knowledge. All you have to do is log onto the website. You go to the Earn button right here and you click Grid or View Ads and you just click, and the more you click, the more money you'll make. Now, as promised, I'll show you how to take advantage of this website and build up a system that will allow you to earn even more money if you don't click on advertisements yourself. So how can you make even more money without having to do all of the clicking yourself? So scroll up here and select your username or account on the right-hand side. Then click on it and it'll take you to the Refer Friends section. Definitely, you will not be referring friends and family, but rather people who will benefit from this website, because if they click on those ads, they will make money, but you will be paid as well. And I'm going to show you a website that you can use for free that has nothing to do with Facebook or any other social media platform. They will enable you to attract genuine targeted visitors who will be prepared to utilize your website in order for you to earn passive money from it. Simply scroll down to discover that you will be paid a 3% commission on the value of their ad clicks, meaning you will be paid $3 if they earn $100 and $30 if they earn $1,000. Of course, they will not lose anything and will receive their $1,000, but you'll earn an additional $30 without doing any of the work or having to click on those ads or anything. So just imagine referring 1,000 people to this website and they all start using it and clicking on those ads. They will quickly add up and you will earn an additional $30. Referring someone to a 100% free service that simultaneously allows them to earn money is really straightforward, so it'll be a no-brainer for such people. I want you to get your referral link right now. Therefore, copy this link, which is your own personal referral link, and go to Trendry.com. Well, once again, Trendry.com is a make money online forum where people come to discuss a variety of topics relating to money making online. And many of them come here to learn more about new websites where they may make money online. And thousands of people visit this forum every day. So if I go to the money making section right here, it will take me to the page where I can browse through all of these various posts where people are discussing how to earn money online, and all I have to do is click on Create a Forum right here. Get paid to click for free. I could add, and then in the description of my post, this website works internationally and will pay you only for clicking on advertisements. You can sign up here and I'll leave my referral link over here. Simple as that. Of course, if you only want to attract more people, you may rewrite that in your own terms and add extra material. You can fill in the exact same thing and share it on Trendery.com by clicking on Post a Topic and sharing it. It's completely free and you stand a good chance of attracting a large number of people to your referral link. Since they're all interested in money making online, they'll see that joining PTCShare.com is completely free. They will sign up, and if they begin to make money by clicking on those ads, you will begin to make some passive income, allowing you to make a lot more money without having to do the work yourself. Everyone you refer to this website will be grateful because they will be able to start earning money online by clicking on advertisements. You'll also begin generating passive income, allowing you to earn significantly more money without having to perform any effort. Everyone will be glad that you refer them to this website, and you will be happy because you will be receiving commissions, so it's a win-win situation. I hope you found some value in this video. If you did, don't forget to like it and give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, do yourself a favor and subscribe to my channel with notifications turned on. I'll notify you whenever I come up with a new and fresh way to make money online so you can be one of the first to use it and of course, make the most money from it.